Hey y'all, I just wanted to show y'all my nail collection. So I am not a professional nail tech, not at all. I just love nail polish. So throughout the years, this is what I've collected. I do my own nails. Every now and then I'll go to a nail salon, but I mainly do my own nails because I don't know, I guess I don't know. I just, whenever I go to a nail salon and get my nails done, I end up not really liking it. So I decided to just do my own nails. But this is what my nail collection looks like. This on the wall here, my friend made for me. It's custom built. And it has some of the polishes there. So I have clean color nail colors there. I have Julep nail polishes. I have Essie, China Glaze, Zoya, and let me zoom up so y'all can see. And that's the Zoya and the China Glaze there. And then up top I have like nail polish remover, cuticle oil, nail dryer. And then in this drawer, it's the Alex collection from IKEA. And in here I have nail files, nail clippers, cuticle remover, this drawer is like the stamping supplies. So in the back is the stamps. And then here is some of the stamping plates that I have. This one is all crystals, striping tapes, decorations, all kinds of little embellishments basically for nails. And I have little practice things. And then now you get into the polishes. Back there is the foils. So back here is the foils. And then I striping polishes. And these are basically right here top coats and base coats. And then stamping polishes here. And then I have this little caviar polishing the caviar beads. And then in here I have nail polishes. I have OPI. So these are the OPIs here. Then I have pure ice. I have this one, and it's called Pro, I believe. Then I have these. And these by Sinful Colors. Here I have a lot of the Sally Hansen. So I have Sally Hansen, I have Orly. I have so many different brands. I have Color Mates, I think that's called. And I have these. And then this is another Sally Hansen one. And then here is like the end of it where I have like Avon. Avon polishes here. And Wet n Wild. And NYC. And then I have my fiberglass nail wrap, the resin, and the activator. I have nail polish thinner also, but I really don't use it. And then that's where I keep other supplies as far as cotton swabs, not cuticle, toe separators, and these toe separators right here. I actually got this one off of Amazon, which I really like. They're so cute. And that's it. This bottom drawer is just nothing really much, but and that's my nail polish supply collection. If y'all want to see something with me breaking down the individual colors that I do have in each, let me know. Thanks for watching.